What are the key differences between observability and monitoring in the context of, web-based apps? And, why is it critical for B2B companies to grasp these distinctions?
Yeah, so not only for B2B companies, but if you think about it, every interaction that we have today, it's either digital or it's supported by a digital workflow, right? So if you imagine going to a restaurant, you find the restaurant on Yelp, you use Google Maps to get there, you scan a QR code to look at the menu, and then you put the waiter puts the order on a PDA often or a point of sale system. Then you need to get the bill. Then you need to do transaction processing on a credit card. All those things are digital, even in what you could call an offline experience. The same for boarding a plane, and the same for almost every B2B interaction, right? Whether you were having a Teams call with a provider or Walmart doing EDI transactions with their suppliers or any of those things. So digital is the foundation of the modern world, and everything that we do nowadays depends on the internet. So historically in technology, monitoring has been kind of a set of tools to look at what's happening, right? And they've been fairly tactical in the sense that it will tell you, like if you look at your PC or a big server running your website, what is the percentage of the CPU, how much memory is available, et cetera. A lot of different metrics that allow you to understand the health and performance of the system. But observability takes that a step further in three ways. One is that answering the question, what does that mean? The second is looking at the system as a whole, right? Like you really don't care about CPU in your computer. You just care that it really works, right? Whether CPU 70% or 80%, I don't know, it makes a difference. I don't know if I can tell when those numbers go up or down. And third, the idea of customer experience, right? Like we focus on whether it's CPU is high or low, or memory is high or low. What you really care is that your customers can go to a website, for example, and receive the page in about 3 seconds, because we know for a fact every second after that your page takes to load longer than 3 seconds, you start losing customers. And some of those customers are not going to come back. That's true for consumers, but also in the B2B space, right? Like as a B2B company, we track everything from the portals, the internal employee applications, because nowadays retaining customers and employee productivity is really critical. So observability now is kind of the set of technologies that allow you to keep an eye on all your digital systems and make sure they're supporting your business initiatives.